teman ya di kamjai jai mong.
Teman ko pa miya meh. Yang hana hab mudu ya hu MLA sungyi.
Mana muda yang boleh jungi?
Tip sino meh mga. Abang alim ta la post nyang buat show.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Usembur Menteri Rangba Kejela, uba kami ya ketenat kampo ying uba perstun tensong, ulaong baka Sorkar kan sale laka Jong ka Kamram halor ka puster, bala keno baka day naka ISIS. Ya kapalata haway unar pos elektrik hajan katura Law College. Kabahab hapo ka aray mile outpost hatura West Garo Hills District. Balatho yaki kintin Jingbyrngem persya yaki pat Garo. Ha kajiakaran bat kilat patay kubor ha ka arpu praterik ukalalingkot arajar penrio. Uba prestun ulaong baka Sorkar kala shimkhya bha yakani. Bat ulaong ru ba lada kalong ka badan kam. Ka Sorkar jela kala ban IT yakani ka kam syaka Sorkar pedeng bantuklar.
Okay, let the government take necessary action, but we will make sure that this such thing should not happen. So this is a very serious issue. That's what I'm telling you. Investigation will immediately start.
So the pressure group saying that there should be central investigation regarding this.
Central. We will see. First, we will see if suppose now if the state investigation feel that yes, it is also needed that the central government step in. We are ready for that.
But do you feel some vested interests are creating this?
I can't say right now. This is it's too early to say anything. So let us wait. Then we'll see.
So you have sought report from the SP or the DC?
We are already on the job.